Hola, and welcome to Reading Follow-Up. Here's a reading selection from our most recent test and the true-false questions that went along with it. If you're watching this, that means you missed more than one or two questions on it, and so I wanted to do a little bit of follow-up with you, walk you through the process for reading, and help you to practice the skills that we've been talking about in class. Okay, a couple of tips. One, a lot of times questions will go in order with the reading selection, so you could probably just go through one by one and answer them. Keep in mind they don't always go in order, so you want to pay attention, but often that's a good place to start. I'm not going to read through this and preview the questions with you since you just saw them recently on the test, but if you need to pause the video a second to familiarize yourself with the true-false questions down here, or skim through the reading selection, feel free to do so, and unpause when you're ready. Okay, remember the 4 steps that we've been talking about. 1, look for words you know. 2, look for cognates. Start with that. And then as you go through, you can use those words you know and cognates to make educated guesses about things that you don't know or aren't certain about. And a lot of times that process will just lead you through to get a lot of answers right, even when you're having to do some guesswork. Let's try it out. Nombre de estudiante, Paulina Escobar, grado 10. Problema. Something about a problem. Tengo un problema con mi horario. Let's say I don't know anything but the cognate here, problema. I can go with that. Estoy en la clase de tecnología con la señora Chávez en la primera hora. Okay, something about first hour. Class, technology class. Okay, I'm guessing there's some problem with technology class. Okay. Oh, I can already do question number 1. Paulina está en la clase de arte en la primera hora. Falso. She's in technology class first hour. Okay. Es una clase muy difícil para mí. Soy trabajadora, pero no me gusta la clase. So something about no me gusta. She doesn't like the class. Let's keep going. No es una clase ni práctica ni interesante. Okay, it's not practical or interesting. Okay. También hay 33 estudiantes en la clase y solo 25 computadoras. Okay. Number 2. ¿Hay muchos estudiantes en la clase? Well, let's see. 33 estudiantes. 33, that's a pretty big class. I would say cierto for that one, true. No hay 33 computadoras en la clase. Okay, a lot of students, I think, missed this one because they said, wait, it says right here 33, and this one says, no hay, there aren't 33, and they mark it false. But hang on, look what it's asking. There are not 33 computers in the class. Well, let's look. Solo 25 computadoras, 25 computers. So, this is true. There are not 33 computers in class, 25. Cierto. Paulina usa una computadora con la profesora. Es un problema, ¿no? Oh, a problem that there are 33 students and only 25 computers. Mi amiga y yo usamos una computadora. My friend and I use a computer, not the profesora. That's falso. Let's see. Me gusta ir a la escuela. Oh, look, a Paulina no le gusta ir a la escuela. That's falso. She just said right there, me gusta. She likes to. Paulina es una chica artística. Number 6. Let's look. Pero hay mucha tarea en esta clase. Soy muy artística. Oh, es una chica artística. Cierto, true. La persona delante de Paulina es la amiga de ella. This was one of the most missed ones. This was a little bit tricky. Let's keep reading and see what we find out. Y me gusta dibujar y no me gusta la persona que está delante de mí en la clase. Let's say you don't even know what delante means. You know, she's talking about it. You know, she says, no me gusta la persona. I don't like the person. So let's do a little bit of educated guessing using what we do know. La persona delante de Paulina es la amiga de ella. Well, she just said, no me gusta la persona. So whatever delante means, we know that she doesn't like her. I'm guessing she's not a friend. She doesn't like her. Falso. Okay, número 8. Es fácil escuchar en la clase. Let's read and find out. Let's see. Ella habla, habla y habla. Es difícil escuchar. Now, maybe I don't know what difícil and fácil mean, but I can figure out that they are not the same word. So if she says it's difícil to escuchar, and this says it's fácil to escuchar, then I'm going to guess that this is falso. Not true. A Paulina no le gusta trabajar. Okay, a lot of people miss this one. This was probably the trickiest one, and I can actually see how you might, even if you could tell what she was saying, you might have missed this one if you interpreted it as, oh, this girl, she clearly doesn't like to work hard in school because she's complaining about the homework and stuff. However, look up towards the beginning, third line. Soy trabajadora. It says right there, I'm a hard worker. I'm hardworking. So I'm going to say falso if it says here she doesn't like to work. It says right here she does. Last one. No hay tarea en la clase de la señora Chávez. Well, let's see. Señora Chávez en la primera hora. Let's see. Goes through. And me gusta ir a la escuela, pero hay mucha tarea en esta clase. But there's lots of homework in this class. Falso. It says no hay tarea. There's not homework. So, there you have it, kind of a rationale for how those questions could be answered. If you're having a hard time with the reading and this isn't making sense to you, please come follow up to me, come to your Spanish study group, or if that doesn't work, come check in with me when you can, and we'll keep practicing this. It just takes practice, it takes time. You can get there. Use the techniques I've taught you. Look for words you know, look for cognates, use that to make educated guesses. And you can get there. All right. Gracias, muchachos. Adiós.